Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I am so excited to be back on YouTube after the crazy weather that we experienced here in Texas last week. I do want to say thank you to all the people who reached out. I had people reaching out to me on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, to my email, just checking on us to see how we were doing, and that really meant a lot to me, so I appreciate that. We were, along with many other people, without power for longer than I would care to be without power when it's freezing cold outside. But a lot of our friends and family were also without water. So it was just a really crazy, scary time for a lot of people. And it seems like things are heading in the right direction. The sun is out. It is nice Texas weather. Now, if the grocery stores can get back stocked with food, life will be awesome. So I'm looking forward to a much better week this week. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed at Walgreens this week. I was able to get all of these items for free and made just over $6 buying it all. So I'm going to tell you how I did that. This also includes 2 different scenarios for the spend 20, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So if you have that digital coupon booster, I'll give you a couple of scenarios on how to use it. Of course, I did all of these as curbside deals with the exception of one clearance item that I grabbed. So let's get into this. First off, the first spend 20, get $5 back in Walgreens cash deal that I did included the razor deal this week because it is spend 20, get $5 back in register rewards. So let me tell you about that scenario first. I grabbed 2 of these Gillette Pro Glide razors. They are not only spend 20, get $5 in register rewards, they are also buy one, get one half off. And you want to check your digital coupons because there are a number of coupons that you can use with this deal. So I grabbed 2 of the Pro Glides. One rang up at $8.99, one at $4.49. Now I had a $5 off one digital coupon and a $4 off one digital coupon. They both applied online, making the total for both just $4.48. But when we add that with the other deals, it's all going to come out to be free and a moneymaker. So stay with me. The next thing I grabbed was this Gillette Venus Comfort Glide. So I grabbed a woman's razor because there is also a digital coupon for $5 off a Venus razor. So this rang at $8.99. With the $5 off coupon, I paid $3.99. And of course, that got my total to $20 on the razors. So I got $5 in register rewards back when I went to pick up my order. I also grabbed these 2 Tresemme Hairsprays. These are the 4.2 ounce. These are priced at $2.79 each, but there was a $5 digital coupon that I used for purchasing these 2. And I also used the code TRYAGAIN15. That was an online code. It only took off 9 cents, but I used it. So that made the total cost for these just 49 cents for both of them. But when I combined the 2 Pro Glide, the Venus, and these Tresemme, it got me over that $20 mark. For the entire transaction, I paid $8.96. I got back $5 in register rewards for spending $20 in the Gillette products. I got back $5 for spending $20 using that digital booster. And then I got back 64 cents because of course I went through Rakuten. That's one of the best parts about doing a curbside deal is you go through Rakuten first. That way you get your cash back from them as well. So I got 64 cents back from them, making this entire transaction free and $1.68 moneymaker. So that was a great deal. Now, if you watched my video last week when my power was starting to flicker, you know that I ordered these and used that $5 coupon. Now, the reason I still had that coupon is that order got canceled because the roads were closed and I couldn't get to the store, but also the store closed down, so I wouldn't have been able to pick it up anyway. So that's why that $5 coupon was still there. I honestly thought it would disappear and be gone and just count as used, even though they canceled the order, but it was there. So maybe it was a new coupon for this week. Maybe that coupon came back because the order was canceled. Either way, I was still able to use it on these, so I was happy about that. If you are brand new to Rakuten, go through my referral link because you will get $20 cash back when you make your first $20 purchase. So that could make this a huge moneymaker for you guys. If you have questions about that, let me know. All right, let me tell you a second way to use that booster for $5 Walgreens cash back when you spend $20, doing the Gillette deal a little bit differently. Now, of course, you can't do both in the same account because you're not gonna have enough coupons. But I did wanna show you just a second way that you could do this if you wanted to do it a different way. In this transaction, I would have purchased 2 Venus razors, okay? So one at $8.99, one's gonna ring up half price at $4.49. I still only have that one $5 off Venus digital coupon, so that would make the total for both of these $8.48. But don't forget, we're working with those 2 different coupons. The one for $5 register reward back when you spend $20 in Gillette products, as well as the $5 in Walgreens cash back when you spend $20. So the next thing I grabbed were 2 of the Gillette razors. I grabbed one of the Pro Glide Chill and one of the Pro Glide. Again, one rings at $8.99, one at $4.49. The $5 off Gillette applied and the $4 off Gillette applied, making it $4.48. So the total for all of that came out to $12.96. And then I got back $5 for the razors, $5 for the spend 20 get 5 booster, making it $2.96 for all 4, or just 74 cents per razor. So it's not free the way this transaction was, but you get a 4th razor. So however you prefer to do it, you can work this a number of different ways depending on the products that you purchase. Now, when I went into the store to pick these items up, I did see the Huggies pull-ups were on clearance, and big time clearance. These were priced at $3.29. There is a $2 digital coupon that I used, so I paid $1.29, but I got back $2 on Ibotta for buying pull-ups. I had the Ibotta bonus that they gave to Texas residents for $2 back when you redeem any offer, which was awesome, so I got that as well. Also, Shopkick was giving back 500 kicks, which is equivalent to $2 when you buy this product. So that made this completely free and a $4.71 moneymaker. So that was amazing for pull-ups diapers. Now, I will say that I was super happy that Ibotta gave us that little $2 bonus because I was so close to that $10 bonus last week. I think I needed 1 or 2 more offers in order to get that $10, but I couldn't get out. The roads weren't safe to drive on, so I missed out on that $10. So that's a huge bummer, but it is what it is. We're safe, and that's what's most important. Okay, the other items that I grabbed this week, the Panama Jack spray, this was priced at $3.49 online. So that it was marked as a clearance price, but my store had it in stock. And there's a $3.50 off digital coupon for it, which made it completely free. And so I grabbed the Salty Air, and I actually think it smells really good. It says it's unisex. I'm not sure that a man would wear this. I don't know, but I thought it would be fun just as like a air freshener. All right, the last deal that I grabbed, and I have to say thank you to Jody Dunn. If you haven't checked out her channel, she is awesome at Walgreens deals. She's the one that pointed out this deal, and I grabbed it last night. The Silhouettes, the 4-count pack, They are on sale 2 for $10 this week. So you buy two for $10. There is a $5 digital coupon for these. So when you buy two, you will pay $5. But there is a $4 rebate on Ibotta that did attach to this. So I got $8 back on Ibotta, making this completely free and a $3 moneymaker. Now, check your Fetch Rewards app because you may have a offer for the silhouette product. I didn't. She did. I believe she got another $3 back from her Fetch Rewards app. So double check. Always scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because you will get some points back even if there's not a specific deal for the product. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, grab it using my referral code. I also have a complete tutorial on the Fetch Rewards app. So if you want to see someone walk you through step-by-step how to use it, you can check out my Fetch Rewards tutorial. As always, if you have any questions on any of this, please let me know down in the comments below. I am more than happy to help you as you're working through some of these scenarios. If you're finding other great deals this week, also let me know down in the comments below. I would love to see the deals that you guys are doing as well. Hope y'all have an amazing start to the week. If you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, follow me over on Instagram if you're not already, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks, guys.